So if you're in the market to purchase a new home or refinance an existing property, the most daunting question and task that most consumers have is, where do I even start for the mortgage? There's so many mortgage companies out there. I have no idea where to start. Do I go online? Do I talk with a real estate agent? Do I talk with a family member, a friend? Do I go back to the existing lender I had? Those are all good questions, but there's a very simple solution, which is first understanding what is a lender and really understanding they're just logos. So first and foremost, the agencies. So this visual gives you the agencies that are basically government-backed or government-controlled, insured, guaranteed entities that are in the United States that basically back the majority of all these residential mortgage loans. So every conventional conforming loan, as we can see, is backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac under FHFA. Every government loan under Ginnie Mae is insured through FHA or guaranteed through the VA, USDA for rural housing. And then you've got things like your jumbo and specialty financing non-QM loans that are through different investors. So what does this mean? What this means is all the lenders you see out there, all the logos essentially, are just a pass-through to these agencies. So if you're targeting a Fannie Mae 30-year fixed or an FHA 30-year fixed or a Freddie Mac 15-year fixed, it's going to the same place. So the number one question you would have then for the originators you're looking for is look up reviews, look up credentials, understand really everyone has to close quickly, easily, and on time, regardless if it's a purchase or refinance. You can find that information online. You can research that individual originator and their company to see those reviews. And that should be pretty accessible. And then you can ask for referrals from friends or family members or real estate agents or whoever, but don't settle. You want to make sure to shop because behind the scenes, the agencies are controlling all these lenders. So the second question is ask the originator, are you employed by or do you work for a lender? If you do, unfortunately, you can't act as a fiduciary and shop my loan. Some have the ability to broker, but it's not quite the same when they're influenced by a retail lender that employs them. The other question is, are you an independent mortgage broker? Do you shop these lenders, or in this example, wholesale lenders, on these same identical agency loans? You could also talk with a bank or a credit union. Again, they're all going to go to the same place, even though the lender might retain servicing rights. Understanding the relationship between the agencies that control these lenders will drastically help you shop for that loan and understand you can look past the lender and then do more research on that actual originator, whether they're independent or employed by that particular lender or logo. So hopefully that helped. Take care.